Dear learners, welcome to the Genie Academy. Today we are going to see how to answer or how to write a report for IELTS Task 1. Let's see here. The question is saying the graph below shows the number of cell phone subscribers in a particular city by gender. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. Here, the level of this line graph is cell phone subscribers. Then Marriage Village is the name of the place. Okay. Here we can see the subscribers are men and women. The dark line is representing men while the lighter one represents women. Now let's see here. I have already taught you. Whenever we are going to solve bar graph or line graph type of question, or when we are writing reports on the basis of these kind of graphs, so first of all we are going to see the x-axis and y-axis. Here we have the origin. Let's see how can we better. So first of all, whenever we are seeing this question, how can we answer? Let's see first. Here we have the text box. We are going to do nothing. First, we need to identify the type of the graphic. Okay, so just type it there, graphic type. What kind of graph is it? The answer is quite clear. It is bar graph. Now, next question would be, what is the title? So the title, whatever they have written here in label, the same will be title. It is self-made cell phone and subscribers marriage village. Subscribers as marriage village. Okay. The title is done. Now ask yourself, what is it? What is it? It is just showing the number of phone subscribers. It is showing the number of mobile phone or directly phone subscribers. Then who are the subscribers? Directly we can say male and female. Males and female. Means men and women. Then when? Ask yourself when. So the time period is 1995 to 2050. It is quite clear. Now where? Now we have to write the name of the whose data is given here. So marriage wealth. Then single L should be there. Okay. No. Double, sorry. Here it is. So where we have also answered now. What is the topic here? The topic would be just write the same. It is all about what? The number of men and women cell phone subscribers in marriage village from 1995 to 2015. So we have written. Now, let's see the diagram carefully and try to understand what are we going to compare here. Okay, we are going to compare what? Comparison. Well, here we can make two kinds of comparison. The first one would be for the number of men. Okay, cell phone subscribers in different years in 1995, 2000, 2005, 2010, and 2015. Second one would be for the number of women cell phone subscribers in different years. Am I clear? So only these comparisons should be there. So first one is the number of men cell phone subscribers. Okay, where place we are not writing right now because place is already known. It's marriage billing in different years. And the second one is the number of women cell phone subscribers in differently. So we have already written this. Now, how can we compare it? So first of all, we are going to make points. Okay, points for this comparison. Point number one is I'm writing A here because one I have already written. So let's make this kind of paragraph. In A, I have taken the number of cell phone subscribers in different years. And here we'll be writing the points like in Roman number. We should write here it is. Okay. Why is it not taking it properly? Okay. It is also a better way. Now let's see the diagram. This number of cell phone subscribers in different years. Okay. Cell phone. Okay. We have messed up what it is the number of many cell phone subscribers. Many cell phone subscribers in different years. This we have written. Now we have to make comparison. We have to note down all the significant trends here, all the main points here. Okay. Let's start. So the most important thing is what we are going to write about the number of men cell phone subscribers in different areas. So I'm going to write the details about it. Okay. And what could be the details here? Like details, data, what we are going to see here, or whatever is visible here, we are going to write. So first of all, the first thing we can write about highest number of, okay, first highest, and in second point we'll be writing second highest. So highest number of main cell phone subscribers, okay, recorded. When it was recorded, in, we can see here, in 2015, we can see the highest number of cell phone subscribers, okay. We are just going to write the year here, 2015. Now, second highest number, or followed by, followed, not followed by, second highest. I'm writing because we need to understand only. I'm not writing it. We're just going to comprehend the complete data here. So second highest number of cell phone subscribers recorded or were recorded and were recorded in what is the year? We can see here, see the diagram between 2005 to 2010. Okay, and here the number of subscribers were around 2500, and here 2750. We must write it in bracket 2750 subscribers that we have written here. And second, were recorded between 2005 to 2010. Okay, 2005 to 2010. Okay, and here we have 2500 subscribers. Okay, here it is already read. Done. Now coming to right, we'll be writing the lowest also, but we'll be writing the lowest at the end. Okay, before that, any other important data for the important data which we can see here? What is that? In a span of only 5 years between, here you can see 1995 to 2000, we can see here the number of male phone subscribers increased from 500 to 2000. So there is a hike. there is a hike by 1,500 subscribers. So that we can write here in a span of only, in a period of only 5 years, that is between 1995 to 2000, the number of main phone subscribers increased by increased by almost around 1,000 subscribers. Okay, in 2000 it came to 1,500. So obviously it increased by 2,000 subscribers and reached, that is from 500 to 1,500, that we have written. Now coming to the lowest number of males in in 1995, and here we have 500 male subscribers. That's it then. So we have written everything, okay, about the number of male phone subscribers in different years. Okay, now coming to the next point. Likewise, we'll be writing the complete details of the number of women cell phone subscribers in different years. And the next, let's see here in B, he will be writing the number of women cell phone subscribers in different years, that we have written here. And now let's start typing here. So first of all, highest number of women cell phone subscribers were recorded in, okay, so highest number of female were recorded in 2005. Okay, note it down. And at that time, the data was around, that means the number of women cell phone subscribers were 2,500. Female and women phone subscribers. 2,500. Coming to the second one, second highest number of cell phone, women cell phone, women cell phone subscribers were recorded in, here second highest were recorded between 2010 to 2015. 2015. Okay, and here there were around 2,250 women cell phone subscribers. Okay, so that we have written here about second highest. Now coming to the third one, Let's see here. Other important data we are writing. What is important here? We can observe after 2005, we have seen a drop in the number of women phone subscribers. A drop in the number of women phone subscribers was observed after 2005. Okay, and it dipped to it dipped to 2,750. Now 2,250 women subscribe. Coming to the lowest number of women cell phone subscribers was recorded or observed in again the year, obviously 2005. At that time, it was a bit above, a bit more than, slightly more than 500 female subscribers. Here it is. It is done. Now we have noted all the important data, whatever we could see here. It's done now. Now we are going to write the paragraph now. Writing the paragraph. So in first paragraph, we'll be writing first paragraph would be about the number, all the comparisons we are going to write. The number of men cell phone subscribers in different years. This is the point. We are going to make comparisons. Okay. Everything would be written point wise, first paragraph. Let's see what could be written on the basis of what we can make the comparison. Why is it showing the first paragraph? The spelling is correct. Okay. Give space. No. Leave it. Okay then. Let's see the first point. Here, the very first point we can write cell phone subscription women were higher in 2000. If you will see the diagram, it was higher in 2000. Okay. Then they were in 1995 that we have written here. Now, second point, which can be written, these are the main ideas. Okay. Writing the paragraph under these, we are writing the main ideas. Okay. So first paragraph. First point I have already written, cell phone subscriptions for men were higher in 2000 than they were in 1995. It is quite clear because in 1995 there were only 500 men subscribers, and by the end of 2000 its data was around 1500. Okay, more a slight, yes, around 1500. So we can write it. So second point can be written, the number of men subscribers remained the same between 2005 to 10. It is quite visible. Okay, for men from here to here, the black one. It remained almost same, not almost exactly the same, 2500. So that we are going to write. Third point we can write about, it rose significantly. There is a rise. Okay. It rose significantly between 2010 to 2015. Can you see here? From 2500 to 2750 it rose. The same thing will be writing. So let's start here. I am writing the number of men subscribers remain same or constant. Same would be better. Between 2005 and 2010. Okay? And the third one, slight increase was observed, right? So we can write here the number of male cell phone subscribers rose significantly, okay, between what? 2010 to 2015. 2010, okay, no, not significantly. One second. The complete duration we can show here, okay. So between directly 1995 to 2050 means from 500 to 2705. So within a span of only 10 years, not 20, um, 10, 10, 20, yes, around 20 years, it has reached to 2750 male subscribers from 500. So it's done. We have written this. Now we are going to make comparisons for body paragraph 2. Okay, writing the paragraphs, main ideas, and then here comparison for paragraph. For paragraph 1 that we were writing. Now here we'll be writing comparison for paragraph 2. Here we are writing. So second one we are writing. What should we start with? First of all, it is quite visible that cell phone subscriptions for women went up. Okay, we can see here it is rising, not rising exactly. I can say it is surging. Surging is a, I think, weak word here. So soaring, it is increasing, right? A bit faster. So we can write cell phone subscriptions for women went up. Okay. Then after the number of um, men subscribers, not men, women. I have to write. Sorry, the number of women subscribing to cell phone services. Okay, rose in most years between 1995 to 2015. I have not said that in every year it has only seen increment, okay, or increase in the number, but in most years I have written, okay, because we have seen a drop also between 2005 to 10. That is why I have written most years, okay. And coming to the next point, one second. Hmm, okay, okay, point B. Here will be writing point 6. Okay, so and see what happens. The number of women subscribers went down or dropped between 2005 and 2010. So it declined from where to where? From 2500 to 2500 to 2250. Okay, that's it. Nothing else is really required here. So we have already written the points which we are going to use while comparing. Am I clear now? Let's see. Here it is. Now let's see. So till here we have written all the main ideas for making the comparison. Now we are going to start writing a report. Let's start. First of all, we'll be writing our answer. Or first we need to do what? We need to write the paraphrase statement for the question, whatever we are having here. The question is, the graph below shows the number of cell phone subscribers in a particular city by gender. Okay. So I am trying to write the answer here only. Wait a second. Let me click on insert. Here it is. Insert and text box is there. Draw text box. Let's see here. Here I'll be writing. Now, because the comparisons I have written here, that is why I'm writing the answer. First of all, we need to paraphrase the sentence. Paraphrase the sentence of the question. The graph below shows the number of cell phone subscribers. How could it be written? We have to avoid the repetition of words, so we can change the phrases and the words easily. Okay. So paraphrasing is just writing the same information in your own native, in your own words by changing the sentence structures and your words. So we can write the graph or the given graph, line, graph, illustrates how many number of men, the number of men, how many men and women in name of the place, marriage, village. For subscriptions, I have written paid for cell phone service between or from. If you are using between, then between and should be. And with from, we should use to. Okay. So from 1995 to 2015. So this is the first statement. Okay. Now, let's think the second sentence. It is the number of subscribers of each gender roses similar rates. We can see here because in 1995, the number of subscriptions, sorry, subscribed persons, both in men and women, were 500 only.